Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to delid this PlayStation 3 FAT L version with the newest NSC Modz delid tool. So as you guys might know, this one was a previous prototype. Here you can see it. It's very nice and shiny here. I still use it to this day. This thing works just flawlessly. But today we're not going to use this one. We're going to use the new one. So let's put this aside for now. And we're gonna unbox this together. Here you can see, this is the new NSC Modz delid tool. It will come in this box. And let's unbox it, shall we? As you can see, this is the new delid tool. Also includes a little surprise. And here we go. So here you can see it. Let me take it out. And you have this nice box to put it away again. So this is the new delid tool. As you can see, the geometry for here is still, let's say the same. We have this laser logo here, right? And let's open this. So this is, you can see here, some sort of tape, which we can simply just open up like this. Here we go. And we should be able to lift it. I think. Yeah, here we go. And you also put some grease inside of here, just like the prototype ones. So that we all have, let's say, a little bit grease, it will be a lot easier. Here we can see this has changed here. It looks very good. You can see it also. Maybe focus. Here you can see the edges are nicely rounded. So this is not going to disturb while doing a delid. Okay guys, so I am just gonna go for the delid. And I'm just gonna do it without hesitation now. I'm not gonna warm it up. There's a little bit of grease on here, which is optional. You don't need to put it, but I mean, yeah, it kind of makes the glide into the cell easier at the beginning. So we're just gonna leave it on there because that's how this came in the package, yeah. And yeah, let's take a closer look on the mainboard here. So this is this mainboard from the L versions. We have the cell here. As you can see, it's not hot. I'm touching it. Here you see it. I'm not burning myself. It is stone cold. If you don't believe me, guys, I will make you believe it. Okay? It's 26 degrees. Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to start the delid from now. As you can see, this is the point where you need to enter. We're gonna put it in. Here you see it. You can go here inside. And now we're gonna pull it to ourselves. Just like that. Yeah, at the beginning it's a little bit harder, but now you can see it's a lot easier. And if you're at the corner, just simply turn it around like this. Right? And keep going. Whoa, you have to be sometimes very careful because this is a fat PS3 and the cut will be very easy here, right? And you can see here, I almost ran out here because I was too fast. So you need to slow down a little bit. Okay, now turn it around and pull again. So here we go. See that, guys? This is so easy. Okay, and now turn around again. And let's go. Do you see this? This is going like butter. I have to be careful, man. Okay, so now is the point where you need to be very careful because if you cut here, this will fly away. So the best way of doing this is maybe holding this with one finger, right? And going slowly, 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 and now it should be done. Be careful. Yeah. Here we go, man. Let's lift it. And look at this. What a nice cut. You can see that here. And the thermal paste was already dried up. So yeah, we did a great job. There's no scratches on the die. This one is already from the factory. Yeah, this is not a scratch on the die. You will notice that on many systems. So yeah, guys, this is just amazing. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Let me clean this. Yeah, you can see it. Nice and sexy. You can get it at nscmodz.com. We are currently shipping to Europe and also outside US and UK and everywhere in the world, but these orders will be delayed for now. Yeah, in the end, we made this great product and I'm selling it on the website now. So if you guys want to check it out, feel free to hit the website. If you have any questions, you can ask questions, of course. And see you in the next video.